Assalamualaikum guys. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another video. So today Sunday, 5:45, 5:49. So we are late for 9 minutes. Supposed to leave about 5:40 or 5:35. So we are on the way for the 6:30 group ride, yeah. So today part 2 ya, cima, evolve cima. So we'll see how the performance evolve cima part 2 group ride. I think maybe about 80 kilometers today. But talking about the group ride today, there's a fast group ride, and then for example like group A, they are very fast, similar like crazy ride 5 AM. So this video about the performance of the 3700 frame compare 5000, 6000, 9000 frame. So talking about frame, and then talking about my zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. So at my age, not young anymore guys. No more 40, no more 50 plus already guys. 50 plus, almost 60. So my content, my video today, just keep fit, keep healthy, do whatever I can do to keep going at my age. Fitness important. But work also first priority, family first priority. So only got time only Thursday and Sunday. Maybe the long journey, maybe Tuesday, sometime Monday. But Monday after Sunday, right? Usually Monday, right? So now we are late for the 6:30. Hopefully can make it. So when you are young, 20 plus, 30 plus, 40 plus, your recovery very fast. But the moment you touch your age 50 plus, just maintain. Maybe take about 3 days, 4 days to recover. Not easy. That's why last time Fandi Ahmad also retired when they are about 35, 38, because a lot of cardiovascular involved. Cardio. So just maintain with the group ride. If you can drive, otherwise do your own training. Okay guys, this video very long. I talk so much. Okay, later we see the performance of the Evo Cima. My impression, for example I pedal now, very right, because they are really work so hard to produce this type of frame, even though the price a bit higher for China, but must be understand, not easy to produce this type of aerodynamic, light, fast, overall for 3007. Circa about 2009 maybe, around there. 2007, 299. Only the frame. I think handlebar maybe about 300, maybe around there. So become 2007. So talking about on climbing on this cima, yeah, I got personal record. I do 8 laps and 5 lap personal record, and then Vigilante I got personal record with this cima. Then the part 1 of this video, yeah, I sent email to cima. We got it my YouTube channel. I think according to them, yeah, they will reward me because I need review about cima. Very light, guys. Alright, guys, good morning. I think about 6:15, another about 15 minutes. So refuel the drink first. So guys, when I arrived here, heard thunder, guys. Thunder very loud just now. So because yesterday was heavy rain. On the way to work, yeah, I saw so many cyclists, yeah. They shower on the road. They shower on the road because heavy rain yesterday. Yesterday was heavy rain in the morning about 6:30, 6:45 to when I left about 7 a.m. was heavy rain, guys, heavy rain. So just want to see the thunder, guys, thunder. Scary. Maybe make it, maybe depend on make a U-turn, maybe depend. Heavy rain, guys, heavy rain. So this morning, yeah, I on the road just now. I saw so many cyclists, so many group with the JC all. A lot of people, guys, this morning. But I think halfway I think have to make a U-turn. Maybe Seletar or Sembawang down there. Maybe turn to the left to Bukit Timah because I heard thunder, guys. See, thunder. Okay, guys. It's can you heard the thunder? Scary, guys, scary. Alright, guys, not riding today. Breakfast at Singming. Maybe roti prata. Maybe after roti prata, maybe see the plan, see the weather. So this one, the scoop, yeah, scoop. This one I think about 6,000. 6,000 this one, scoop. Pinarello, Envy, Dogma. Steven, you said 6,000. Scoop. Coming, Okay, let's go. No choice, guys. Heavy rain. No choice. Have to go back. Heavy rain. Let's go. No choice, guys. Heavy rain. So now we go back by Lonely Road. That's Adam Road. No choice. cool guys, very cool. Like in Japan. Oh. Exactly Japan guys. Oh. Shivering guys, shivering. Handphone inside the bag. Oh, wrong day. Oh, shivering guys, shivering guys. No choice. Oh my god. First time cycling in the rainy day. Oh, shivering guys, shivering. Wow, very cool. Shivering guys, very cool. No choice. Oh my god. But very cool guys, shivering. Oh my shivering. Shivering. Oh, very cool. Oh, very cool. Very cool guys. Oh, like in Japan, no, exactly. Oh, shivering. Oh my god. Go back, shower, hot water, breakfast, and sleep. Oh my god. Cooling. Alright guys, I think will be part 3 about Evolve. Part 2 doesn't happen because heavy rain. Just now we take a break, coffee shop. No choice, have to go back home. Heavy rain. Okay guys, thank you so much all of you watching Evolve cima caught in the rain. Go back home to climbing guys. Okay, hopefully you all subscribe the channel, support the channel. Majority from Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, but Singapore I'm very happy. Support the channel. 42% I think from Singapore. Thank you so much all of you.